Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? Today is January the 16th, 2021, and I am here to share some amazing work at home opportunities with you guys. For those of you that don't know, I am the work at home job queen. Make sure you come over and sign up to the email newsletter on the blog. All you do is enter your email where it says get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. Okay. I'm not going to spam you. I'm only going to send you new work at home opportunities. Okay. Also, make sure you come over and join the work at home lounge over on Facebook. You guys, I'm overjoyed with the amount of support and the amount of people that are over there just getting blessed for real. So again, just make sure that you have a photo, make sure your account is not new, and make sure you answer the 3 questions when prompted, or your request will automatically be denied. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get into these opportunities. Now, you guys, there are so many companies over the next couple of weeks. I've already shared about 3 or 4 of them that will be hiring workers to work from home to help them with COVID-19 vaccination scheduling. Okay. Currently, Concentrics, they're hiring thousands of people because what's going on is right now they're vaccinating all of the essential workers, elderly, and people like that. So around April, all of those people will already be vaccinated. So the vaccination is going to be readily available to those of us who aren't considered to be essential. Okay. So there's going to be a huge surge in people. There's already a huge surge in people who are calling to schedule and get information about these vaccines. Okay. And they need help with this. For example, right now, Concentrics is hiring hundreds and hundreds of people to work from home in almost every single state. Okay. And all you'll be doing is, and this is so easy, you guys, you don't even need to have any experience. Okay. Elderly people are even doing this. They don't even really train you to do this too much. They'll give you a little bit of training, but they're pretty much going to put you on the phones because it's going to be as simple as answering the phone, giving people a little bit of information that they do provide you, and either scheduling the appointment if they're eligible, or telling them when they will be eligible to schedule the appointment, or give them a little bit of information in regards to the vaccines themselves. Okay. So this one is for Concentrics. And again, remember I said that they're hiring in almost all states, so it doesn't matter where you live. Okay. So you're going to come over to the blog. Remember, everything is in the description box down below. Click on the link, guys. Go over to the blog and scroll. Every single link that I'm talking about will be there. Okay. So apply to this one. And there's also others that are hiring. It's not just Concentrics. For example, NailNet was hiring COVID-19 vaccination reps. Also, you have Navient. They're looking for vaccination representatives. Currently, they're only hiring in Tennessee right now. But trust me, over the next coming weeks, there's going to be tons more. But definitely go and apply to Concentrics. It's under yesterday's date. Okay, remember I said don't just stay under today's date. Make sure you go over there and scroll, because if you only stay on today's date, you're doing yourself a disservice. Okay, just look for Concentrics COVID vaccination scheduling support agents. All right. Also, Dish Network, they're currently looking for customer experience representatives to work from home. They provide you with all of the equipment. And of course, you'll be doing exactly what you think you'll be doing. You'll be assisting Dish Network customers. Okay. They send you all of the equipment. If I didn't already say that, it doesn't specifically list the pay on here, but it does say average first year salaries are over $30,000. Okay. Over $30,000, and they increase as time goes on. Okay. They do provide you with medical, dental, and vision insurance, 401k, and paid vacation and sick time. So tuition reimbursement and all that. So this is a good career opportunity for those of you that are looking for a work at home career. Okay. And now it does have specific location listed, but that is only where their main offices are. Okay. And I got this from a current worker who works there, who said that you don't have to live in those locations. So they hire in almost all states. So definitely apply. Okay. And again, that's for Dish Network. Also, Mod Squad, they're looking for general customer support agents to work from home. Now, this is for the night shift. Now, the hours are 6 p.m. until 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can live in the Eastern Standard Time Zone, but you need to be willing to work in the Pacific Standard Time Zone, okay? And all you'll be doing with this one is you'll be doing customer support with the phone, chat, email, and their tickets, okay? You need to have some strong typing skills of 40 plus words per minute. For those of you guys who struggle with that, make sure you get on these free typing apps and just, practice your typing, okay? Because most of these work at home positions, they are going to require you to have some type of typing experience to be able to type a little bit. Because if you're going to be talking to customers, you can't just be tapping your computer, taking 1,000 years to, search someone's name. So you need to have a little bit of typing experience, all right? They're also looking for general contractors for answering emails. So this is another phone position that they're hiring. This is an email position that they're hiring for. There's going to be no phones involved in this. Okay, the first one was for a general customer support position for nighttime, and this one is for just a general contractor to help them answer emails. Okay. Also, Ford and Associates, they're looking for roadside assistance customer service agents. Now, they do not list a specific location. It just says you must be residing in the US, okay? And basically you'll be doing, of course, roadside assistance. You'll be answering inbound calls from stranded motorists to help them get their tires changed, fuel delivery, lockout services, and those different things right there. Okay. I'm not going to tell you about every single position on here that's hiring because there are tons. Okay. As you can see, there are a lot of companies that are hiring. Okay. So don't sleep. Okay. Do not sleep and go over and sign up to the email newsletter, you guys, because as soon as I update this stuff, I immediately send you guys the email. Okay. And a lot of times if you wait, you will miss the opportunity. So definitely, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. You're doing yourself a disservice if you don't sign up to this email newsletter, okay? And definitely, if you're wanting to communicate with some like-minded people, if you have questions about anything, if you've started a work-at-home position, definitely come over here and join this lounge, because if you have any questions about something, I'm pretty sure 99.9% of the time you're going to get some help over here in this group, okay? If you're stumped on something, definitely come over here and apply to the group. Answer the 3 questions when prompted. Have a photo and your account is not new. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.